Pull it towards you. Pull it towards you.
No.
You have to pull it towards you.
There you go.
Pull it towards you if you want to go fast.
I already did it.
There we go. Oh my goodness. You can pull towards you if you want to keep going fast. Oh my goodness.
Oh, you're really making me laugh. That's funny.
You're so cool. Oh, this is gonna go fast. Are you ready? Are you ready? Oh my gosh, we're coming to the drop. Coming to the drop. What? Dude. Woo. Woo. Are we safe? Oh, we're safe. Okay.
It's not over yet. It's not
Not quite yet. Not quite yet. Here's the awesome lady who let us go. You're awesome. Dude, was that the most fun we've ever had?
You can turn it off now.
Yeah.
You can pause now. You can
Okay,
turn it
bye.
off.